Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for flights on the Klook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the home button down below and click on transport at the top. After that, you should click on flights, which is the first option, and select the type of trip, such as one-way or round trip. Then you should select your destination. After that, you should select your destination. Select the outbound and return dates. Then tap on the class and set or select the search button, tap on it, and here you can you will be able to check out all of the available flights. If you want to purchase any of these, tap on the button next down below, click on next again, and then you will be able to finalize the process of booking your flight tickets. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.